Got a doggy coming up the stair. Sit. Stay. Good girl. Good girl, Cakey. It's the dog that just came up. And, oh, do you have to go this way? Whoop. Keiko, sit. Good girl. Good girl, break. Oh, that was a real life scenario right there. I'm sure that guy was wondering what I was doing. Now I gotta set up my camera in my weird way. But when you're doing things like this, it's a good opportunity for your dog to keep their stay. Okay. You can just see me tumbling down these stairs as I try to train Keikos and take pictures of her. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Oh, and we made it. Good girl. So we got some dogs running in front of us. As you can see by Keiko's interested. Oh, we got bulldogs. Sit. Good girl. Hey. Nope, sit. A pack of bulldogs and a... see if I can get them on camera. They're somewhere right there. And a smallish dog.